Best Actress.
Aldrin! Ano lamang? Nakaninig ka mo?
Inay.
Kasala na gusto mong mangyari. Nagkasala na ako. Kami ni Mark. Dahil na ni matatama ka sa rumpang kasalan.
And this year's Peña Francia Short Film Festival Best Actress is Selena Grace de la Rosa as Susan in the film Atan.
Congratulations to our Best Actress, Selena Grace de la Rosa. She also receives a gift certificate from Beams. We shall now watch the VTR for our Best Actor.
Shaling, nagluto na ako dumaling. Makakano kita. Ano mo ako nalagay?
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Peña Francia Short Film Festival Best Actor is Ronald Regala as the film Nawawala.
Congratulations to Ronald Regala, the second Peña Francia Short Film Festival Best Actor. He also received a gift certificate from Beams.
You know what, Chilma? Sarap po sa nagpapagayon na sinagtataong buhay sa sarong pelikula. Iyon cinematography. Ini ang malinaw as in artistikong pagsasaladawan kan kada eksena. And this year's second Peña Francia Short Film Festival would like to acknowledge the film na nagtao po sa tuya nin Best Cinematography.
Okay, now aside from the citation, the winner will also receive a gift certificate from Beams.
And to present the award, may we call on Mr. Dexter de la Peña, a multi-awarded cinematographer, to give the award.
Wow, taon lang yan, puso bago.
Sa araw-alaw na sa to, nakakatumbang pangahapot na daing kasimbahan.
Excuse me.
Okay. And the second Peña Francia Short Film Festival Best Cinematography goes to the film
Harayo, Harayo, by Arjan Mar Rivera, Mediano Film.
Congratulations, Harayo Haraliman. So thank you to Mr. De La Peña for awarding the best cinematography. And now, sa Roy ni Chris ay inaabangan ng satuyang mga paradalan kung si Isay ang makakakuakan People's Choice Award.
And para po sa kaalaman kan Gabos, after na mga i-announce po ang 5 finalists, nag-igawa kita ni roadshow sa manibang eskwelahan as in parokya, digdi sa Bicol. Sa probinsya kan Camarines Sur, as in kan Camarines Norte, buwan po kan Agosto 22 hasta September 16.
Pagkatapos nindang magdalan, nagboto sinda kung arin sa mga pelikula ang pinaka-nagustuhan ninda. And so we collated the results and sa tuyang People's Choice Award, i-announce na po araat siya. Ano po ang marireceive big ang People's Choice Award, Chris?
Yes, Chuma, the winner will receive 25,000 pesos and a gift certificate from Diggs.
May we call on Miss Melin Ngo and Mr. Mike Pawig on stage to give the award? Okay, and the winner is Chris?
Yes, and the second Peña Francia Short Film Festival People's Choice Award goes to... Suspense natin. Sino po? Oh, iba eh. Alright, Chuma. The second Peña Francia Short Film Festival People's Choice Award goes to... Harayo! Surama Film. Alright, congratulations to Harayo Haraniban for being adjudged as the second Benyo Francia Short Film Festival People's Choice Award.
The success of our film festival will not be possible without the support of the city government. So we will now call on Mayor Chan Bongat to give his message of inspiration.